Welcome back, plant enthusiasts. Today we are going to dive into the world of indoor plants that thrive in low lit areas. Whether you have a windowless office or a shaded corner in your home, we've got you covered. First up, we have the snake plant, also known as sansevieria. It is a tough, low maintenance plant that can tolerate a wide range of lighting conditions, plus it is great for purifying the air. If you're looking for something with a bit more colour, the ZZ plant is perfect. Its glossy dark green leaves can add a touch of elegance in any low lit space. Next, we have the peace lily. Not only does it thrive in low light, but it also has beautiful white flowers that can brighten up any room. And last but not least, we have the pothos. Its trailing plant is perfect for hanging baskets and placing on shelves. It's incredibly versatile and can tolerate low light conditions like a champ. Remember, each of these plants still needs some light to grow, so make sure to place them near a window if you can, or any other source of indirect light. And don't forget to water them, but not too much. So there you have it, a quick rundown of some amazing indoor plants that can thrive in low lit areas. Give them a try and bring some greenery into your life. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening.